Let me show you what to do if you can't get access to your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So maybe you simply have forgotten your PIN pattern or password and you need to get access to the phone. So actually the only way we can actually gain access to the phone is by doing a hard reset on this phone. So that means it will wipe everything from this phone and you'll lose all your data on this phone. And for this process to work, we are going to need our cables that we use to charge this phone. Also, you're going to need a computer or a laptop or a Mac, and we are going to connect both of them together. So plug it in your computer and in your phone. Again, this has to be a computer, it can't be a charger. So if you plug it in charger, this process won't work. Then we actually need to restart this phone. So, but if you have tried to restart this phone the regular way, you'll see it also needs a PIN code. So, but we can actually force restart this phone. To do that, we are simply going to hold this lower button, volume down button, and this power button for around 10 seconds. Then once it restarts, we are going to quickly jump to holding this and this, both at the same time. Okay, I'm holding this, and hold it for like 10 seconds. Ignore this. So it will take maybe right 10 seconds, around that. Okay, and jump to holding this volume up and the power button, and obviously make sure it's connected to your computer. Okay, keep holding. Okay, and then it will launch in this menu. We can release it. So in this menu we are going to use these volume buttons to cycle down. So use the volume down to click wipe data factory reset. Okay, and then press this again. Okay, and again cycle the factory data reset. By the way, when you actually do this process and set up your phone again from scratch, it will actually ask you for your Google like account password that you previously used on this phone. So if you do not have your like Google Gmail account, or you do not remember what kind of email you used, do not do this, because you will essentially brick your phone. So if you are okay, select data reset, and as you see it says data wipe complete. Okay, we can reboot the system now, and basically we can unplug this now, and we are going to need to set up our phone from scratch. And during the setup process it will say you this warning, and then you will see a prompt like this where it asks you to enter your PIN pattern or password. So but we actually have a link here as well, use my Google account instead. So if we click that, we will get a chance to simply log in with our Google account that we used on this phone. And if you do not know the email address that you actually had on this phone for the Google account, then I suggest you not to do this, because again you will literally just brick your phone. Okay, all done now, and we essentially have a brand new phone right now, and we have to set up everything from scratch. Again, all the data that you had on this phone previously will get lost as well. So all the pictures, images, videos you had basically on this device will get lost as well if you do this process. Anyway, good luck.